Dude, this is sick, dude. This is a running water spittoon. Never seen anything like this. You've seen the brass spittoons, right? You've seen the copper ones, you know, the big bucket ones. But this bar is located in Roslyn, Washington. And according to their website, they opened up in 1889. And this bar is 100 years old and originated in England. It was purchased in Portland, Oregon after following the European shipping lanes around Cape Horn. This unique 23-foot running water spittoon still operates today. Dude, if I were to walk in there right now, would I be able to use it if I'm packing a fatty? I don't know, dude. And as a dipper slash chewer, this strikes my fancy, bro. What do you guys think of this?